Okay, good morning class. How are you today? You're good? That's good. This morning, we will continue our topic about basketball. Last meeting, we discussed about the history of basketball, who invented basketball, the rules and regulations, and how it works. Now, this morning, we will continue our topic about the basic skills in basketball. This time, I will demonstrate the 3 basic skills in basketball. Number 1 is passing. There are many types of passing. First, the chest pass. The ball must be in your chest and pass to your teammate. Again, pass on your teammate, not on your opponent. Okay? So again, chest pass coming from your chest and pass to your teammate like this. Second, bounce pass. You need to bounce the ball in the floor direct to your teammate. Again, to your teammate, like this. Third, the baseball pass. From the word baseball, you need to pass the ball like a baseball, throwing like a baseball. Fourth, the no-look pass. Okay, this time, you look over there and your teammate is there. How to perform? Like this. You look there and pass to your teammate. That is a no-look pass. There are still many types of passing, but this time, we proceed to the next basic skill in basketball, which is shooting. First, the formation of shooting. All you have to do is raise your right hand, then put the ball on it, and slightly bend your knee, put a balance, and shoot the ball. That is information on how to shoot. Now, let's proceed to number 1. Long shot. From the word long shot, from the perimeter, you need to shoot the ball from the perimeter. That is a long shot. Second, layup. You need to go to the basket and lay up. And number 3, dunk. You need to dunk the ball harder to the rim. That is a dunk. Fourth, the fadeaway shot. The fadeaway shot, this is famous from Kobe Bryant or Michael Jordan. You need to fade away. To avoid to the opponent to block the ball. That's a fade away. The last basic skill in basketball, which is dribbling. First is between the legs. Between the legs. Second is a low dribble. Low dribble. Third is a high dribble. And many more. This time, I will divide you into 3 groups. I will give you 5 minutes to practice. Group 1, dribbling. Group 2, shooting. Group 3, passing. Are you done? Now, let us start our performance task. Your grade will be given based on your performance. Here's our rubrics. Class, based on your performance, you did a great job. Congratulations, everyone! Did you enjoy? Did you learn? Now let us see. What are the 3 basic skills in basketball? Passing, correct. Dribbling, correct. Shooting, correct. What are the different types of passing? Bounce pass, chest pass, baseball pass, and many more. Let's proceed to dribbling. What are the different types of dribbling? Between the legs, high dribble, low dribble, correct, and many more. Let's proceed to shooting. Layup, good. Dunk, correct. Fade away, correct, and many more. Before we end our class today, any questions? Any clarifications? If none, let's proceed to your assignment. Next week, please bring your PE attire because we will be having our basketball play. You will perform by team and you will be graded according to your performance. Am I clear? Then, see you next week. Goodbye, class!